Hey guys, I'm really excited to show you this 32-foot toy hauler today. It is totally packed with technology, but first, feel it. Ceramic coating, it is so soft, like just waxed your car soft. And it looks really awesome. Really cool windows on the outside, lighting on the outside, cameras to make sure nobody messes up the outside. And he can fit his 6-seater Polaris on the inside. So there's enough space and really a lot in this. So let's check it out. The big challenge here was fitting so much tech, storage, and flexibility into a manageable footprint, but we pulled it off with a few creative solutions. You'll see things like a Lippert tri-fold patio door, a corner kitchen with a collapsible bar that fits a side-by-side, and a ton of solar up top. Rodney calls it our premium kit. There's also Starlink access, upgraded AC units, and a slick ceramic coated exterior. If you're the kind of person who wants to roll up and have every comfort ready to go, this one's for you. All right, let's take a walk around the outside. First thing you'll notice is the ceramic coating and custom design. It's not just for looks, it actually helps protect against the sun and makes cleaning a breeze. The overall length comes in at 32 feet, so it's a lot of trailer, but still totally manageable, even if you're not a pro at towing. Exterior height is right at 12 feet, which gives you plenty of headroom inside, but you're not stressing under every overpass. Ground clearance is a solid 16 inches, so you can get off the beaten path without worrying about scraping the bottom. Hitch weight is about 1,200 pounds, which keeps things stable up front. There's outside storage access for all your gear, plus a TV mounted outside for those tailgate or race days. The Lippert tri-fold patio door is a real showstopper. It's their newest 3.0 model, and it folds out to create a legit 3-season patio space. And with underlighting and surveillance cameras around, you're set for both style and peace of mind. All right, stepping inside, you can really feel how much thought went into this layout. I'm about 6 feet tall, and I've still got room to breathe, thanks to the 7.5-foot interior height. The corner kitchen is a standout with a long collapsible bar that actually lets you fit a side-by-side inside. Super handy if you're hauling toys. The finishes are all upgraded with black hardware, soft close hidden hinges, and a cool match between Formica and Corian counters. Sleeping arrangements are flexible. This one sleeps up to 6 comfortably with a queen up front and comfortable bunks in the back. Storage is everywhere, from tall cabinets with optional shelves to clever nooks for all your gear. The bathroom's got a remote operated fantastic fan, upgraded black features, and a ceiling vent to keep the air flowing. It's the kind of space where you want to cook, crash, and clean up without feeling cramped. Now let's talk about strength, stability, and systems. Dry weight on this rig is about 9,800 pounds, so it's beefy but not over the top. The GVWR is set at 14,000 pounds, which gives you a payload capacity of over 4,000 pounds. Plenty for hauling bikes, a side-by-side, or whatever else you got to bring along. It's built on a heavy-duty steel frame with dual axles, so you get a smooth, stable ride even when you're loaded up. The axles are flipped for extra ground clearance, and the suspension's been upgraded to handle rough roads. Up top, you've got 1,200 watts of solar, enough to keep your batteries topped off even on the longest trips. The new AC units are inverter style, so they actually cycle off when they hit temp, keeping things cool without draining your power. And with Starlink access, you're never out of touch, even off the grid. Picture this. You roll into the desert, dust swirling behind you, and within minutes you've got the patio door folded out, the outside TV on, and your side-by-side parked right inside. This hauler is perfect for folks who want to spend a week off the grid thanks to all the solar and the big payload. It's also a killer setup for track weekends, unload your toys, set up the bar, and you've got a hangout spot that's better than most pit garages. If you're working remote, the Starlink keeps you connected, and the interior is quiet enough for Zoom calls or movie nights. And with all the storage and upgraded finishes, it's just as comfortable for longer days or even full-time living. You can really see how every upgrade, from surveillance cameras to the black hardware, was picked to make life easier, not just flashier. So wrapping up, what stands out here is how much you can get in a 32-foot package. Premium solar, a killer kitchen, and a patio setup, and all the comfort upgrades you could want. It's built tough, but also built smart with real attention to how people actually use it. If you want to create your own, go to Dune Sport, call us at 480-357-3863, or swing by Dune Sport if you're in Arizona, ask for Rodney. He designed this one. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you on the next one.